right. What is up, everybody? This might be it for us tonight. I don't know if I'm going to get anything else to fill tonight. We need to fill that Money Madness, so. All right, we are live for a little Bowman Chrome U basketball 4-box break. Number 2, we got 2 Breakers Delight, 2 Hobby. We will start with the Hobby and end on the Breaker Delight. Thank you guys for the fill on this. Thought maybe it would have filled a little bit quicker. I thought maybe it would have been broken last night, but kind of stalled out and had to filler it out tonight. So that's all right. I think I am going to load another one of these breaks and put it onto the website as a PYT. So in case you guys are watching for that. We do got quite a bit more of this stuff, so we'll gladly keep breaking it for you guys. All cards do ship in this break. Anyone watching late and preparing for tomorrow? Tomorrow morning at I think at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Central, I'm going to be posting a Rookie and Stars half case PYT with the option to claim for both halves. So should hopefully fill for us tomorrow. We'll be ripping that tomorrow. That is the new release for tomorrow. We don't got much of it. We only got a case and a few loose boxes, so won't be doing much of that. Let's get it going. Box number 1. Simeon Wilcher. Riley Kugel. There's a Bronny first Bowman. Jackson Shelstad, Oregon, number to 399. A Hidden Gems, Isaiah Collier, USC. Going out to Thompson. Blue, Brandon Garrison, Oklahoma State to 199. Caitlin Clark, inserts, Iowa. And an Aaliyah Edwards, Yukon, Green Shimmer, number to 99. And an auto, Spencer Jones from Stanford, not numbered. And a green, Jawan Roberts to 99 for Houston. There's a Bronny James insert. A gold Wooga Poplar for Miami, number to 50. And an auto Dennis Evans, Louisville, refractor to 250. Caitlin Clark. Bronny James insert. Purple Shimmer, Georgia Amore, Virginia Tech. That is it for box number 1. All right, box number 2. Lots of packs in these hobby boxes. All right, here we go. Oh, right to an auto. Jaden Akins is 75, Michigan State. We got another Jaden Akins lava auto to 199, a little Sparty box. Michigan State going to Nick Lee on that filler mojo. A Jeremy Fears Michigan State refractor. Kwame Evans. We got a Milan Momcilovic, Iowa State to 299. There's a Paige Beckers, first Bowman. Caleb Love. Angel Reese, first Bowman, LSU. DJ Wagner, purple for Kentucky to 399. Ronnie James, first Bowman. A Kevin McCullers, purple shimmer, Kansas. A teal Jawan Roberts, Houston. That is it out of our hobby boxes. All right, Breakers Delight time. Flip around now. Tyrese Proctor refractor auto for Duke, going out to Riley Pena to 250. Caleb Love base auto Zona. Dalton Next, Lava, auto to 199. AJ Hogard, Eric Dixon, Mark Sears, Steel Venters, and a Zachary Reicher. Going to that no team spot. Or all other spot, or yeah, all others. That Next is good. I don't watch too much of Tennessee, so I didn't really recognize that name. I know Tennessee's good this year, but yeah, I didn't recognize too much of that Dalton guy name. All right, last box. How about a Caleb Love Sharpshooters number to 150? Solomon Ball UConn Lava to 199. Kevin McCullough Kansas base. And a Jackson Shellstead refractor to 250. And how about an Angel Reese yellow? Bang! LSU Jason Hornibrook. Attaboy. 10 of 75. We'll take that all day long. Bang, bang. Ooh, it's awfully dark on there. Eric Dixon, Kyle Filipowski, DJ Wagner, Mark Sears, and Tyson Chapman. That's it. I'll get these babies top load. We'll do a recap. I got a lot of numbered stuff that I got to get top loaded, but we'll recap these hits. All right, Solomon Ball, Kevin McCullough, Jackson Shellstead, Tyrese Proctor, Caleb Love, Dalton Necht, Jaden Akins, Bronny, Isaiah Collier, Wooga Poplar, Dennis Evans, and Spencer Jones. And then the nasty yellow Angel Reese for LSU out of 75. All right, that's it. We'll be back if we get anything else to fill. Otherwise, have a nice night, everybody. Thank you.